Welcome to 5627 Brenchley Ave, Mississauga. A stunning 3-bedroom, 4-washroom, finished basement home, perfect for families seeking comfort and style, located in a high-demand Heartland area. Step inside to discover a home that's been thoroughly renovated, boasting a fresh paint and a modernized kitchen, creating a space that's both inviting and functional. Hardwood floors grace every inch of this home, adding the elegance and warmth to each room, while also providing easy maintenance for busy lifestyles. Outside, a generously sized backyard awaits, offering ample space for relaxation, play, and entertaining under the open sky, a true oasis to entry with the family and friends. This home is situated in a prime location. You are just moments away from the convenience of Heartland Shopping Center, easy access to Highway 401 and 403, prestigious golf courses like Brenchley Golf Course, and surrounded by top-rated schools such as St. Joseph Secondary and Whitehorn Public School. This house has additional features include fresh paint, newly installed park lights, new furnace, and a new AC, and the absence of carpet for a clean and allergy-friendly environment, and not to mention a finished basement, perfect for family entertainment or a quiet retreat. Hi, my name is Pradeep Jasi, a dedicated realtor with Century 21 People Choice. If you have any question about this remarkable home or would you like to schedule a viewing, do not hesitate to call me at 416-629-3480, or you can also visit my website at www.pradeepjasi.com. Your dream home awaits. Let's make it a reality together.